Hi everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Blair and today's video is a very exciting one. I am going to be trying out and unboxing my first beauty subscription box ever. I know, I've never tried a beauty subscription box, so I'm very excited about this video. I actually recently received the GLOSSYBOX for the month of October, and they were kind enough to send this to me to review for you guys. So this is what I'm going to be unboxing today. I'm so excited. Like I said, I've never tried any beauty subscription box ever, and we all know how much I love beauty and makeup and all that kind of stuff. So I'm so excited and I was so flattered. So thank you, GLOSSYBOX, for sending this to me. I so appreciate it. So if you're interested in the unboxing of the GLOSSYBOX for October, please keep watching and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So GLOSSYBOX is a beauty subscription box. Like I said, each month you will get 5 deluxe size beauty products sent to your door, and today's box is the October box. So each month I believe they have a different theme. This month it looks like it's a enchanted spirit theme. It says the Beauty Tales. It's in this really nice box. So this is a box you would definitely keep and you could store stuff in it. It's really good quality. So let's see what is inside. It literally took every ounce of strength I had when I got this in the mail not to open it right then, but I wanted to do it on camera with you guys, so I didn't, but it was really hard. So here is what the inside looks like. It's packaged all nice and pretty with a little bow, and you get your little info card here. So this is just kind of an overview of the products included in the box, and it says, sometimes we all need that little sparkle as a finishing touch to a perfect look. In this month, we are so excited for you to receive our enchanted box from our Beauty Tales edit. For enviable skin and extraordinary makeup, we brewed a coveted collection of ingredients that dazzle, amaze, and of course, delight. We want you to embrace the magic that beauty can make us feel every step of the routine beyond skincare, with results that'll last after the spell of a great regimen. Stay glossy, your GLOSSYBOX team. So this is your little info card about the products that are included in here. And it looks like it just kind of gives you a brief description and tips to apply it, where you can buy them, and it gives you pricing information as well. So let's go ahead and open this up. I really don't even want to open it. It's packaged so pretty. So the first thing I see is this lipstick. This looks like KVD Beauty to me. It is. This is in the shade Lovecraft. And this is the Studded Kiss Cream Lipstick. This is vegan and cruelty-free. It has this really pretty black, kind of a studded packaging, which is really nice. So cute. This is the shade Swatched. It's the shade Lovecraft. I do not think I've ever tried a KVD lipstick. I definitely don't own one, and I feel like I've tried something from them a few years ago. I think it was a liquid lipstick, but I've definitely never tried one of the bullet lipsticks. This is the deluxe mini size, so you get 1.2 grams of product. This is worth $14. The full size is 3.4 grams and it's worth $20. I'll try to insert a clip of me applying this so you guys can see this color, but I love this. Just based on the swatch, I love the color. Super excited about that one. The next thing I see is this by Ona New York. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly. It's the Spotlight Radiant Glow Gel Mask. And let's see. I'm not familiar with this brand, Ona New York, but if you guys know anything about me, you know that I love anything with the word glow and anything with the word radiant. I am all about it. So I cannot wait to try this. Let's see what this says. Formulated with plant ingredients native to Russia and Northeast Asia, this refining hydrogel mask will even out complexion, rid of impurities, and restore a youthful glow. Its comfortable fit and non-slip quality makes it perfect for anyone. Tip: after cleansing, apply to face for 20 minutes or more. Remove mask and massage remaining serum into skin. And this retails for $9. This is the full size. Let's see what the back says. It says it has niacinamide and willow bark extract to reduce environmental damage and restore youthful glow. It also has tea tree oil in it, perfect to fix stressed, dull, or irritated skin. So it looks like you cleanse your face, unfold the mask, apply for 20 minutes, and then remove and massage in the serum. I will definitely try this out and let you guys know what I think. I don't do masks all the time, but I do like to do them sometimes on a Sunday if I have time, or just at night when I have time. I love to get a shower, wash my hair, do my skincare, put on a mask, and just kind of relax, have some tea. I love that kind of stuff. It's right up my alley, so I will try this out and let you guys know what I think. Next, we have this mask. This is by Generation Clay. I'm not familiar with that brand. It's the Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. This you get, let's see, 1.69 ounces of product, so that's a good bit in here. Looks like the deluxe mini is worth $14.44. The full size is worth $21.50. So I'm reading my little card here, and it says this is packed with superfruit, plum, desert lime, bilberry, and aloe vera. It's a gentle version of skin exfoliating. AHA rejuvenates dull, tired skin while lightening dark circles and pigmentation. I don't have pigmentation problems, but I do have dark circles, so that is very intriguing to me. So it just says to apply an even layer on dry skin. It may tingle, then rinse off in 10 minutes with warm water, and I guess it's supposed to brighten your skin and gently exfoliate. Again, love this kind of stuff at night when I have time. So what I'm thinking I'm gonna do is use this and maybe this all at once, or maybe I'll use one night and use this the next night, and I'll do an update and let you guys know what I think. But love, love, love a good nighttime skincare routine. I haven't shared my skincare routine with you guys, but I do plan to do that at some point when I have the time, because I do love skincare. It's another one of my loves that I really enjoy, and I like to talk about it and try new things. So I'll definitely keep you guys updated on those. Next, I see this serum from the brand Earth Harbor. This is the Aurora Superfood Luminance Ampoule, I'm probably saying that wrong, with sea greens and cannabis sativa hemp. This is 1 fluid ounce. This is the full size, and this retails for $32. Let's open this up. I'm not familiar with this brand. Ooh, so it's a green serum in a little dropper here. I'm gonna unscrew it and see what it smells like. It smells pretty good. It smells very clean. It's not a super strong smell, but it definitely does have a little bit of a fragrance to it. So here it is. It's in this little bottle here. It's a green serum with a little dropper. So this is a superfood serum full of sea greens, cannabis sativa hemp oil, and grapeseed oil. This is a therapeutic serum that will energize and soothe the skin while inducing a dewy luminous. Again, with the word dewy and luminous, you guys know that's gonna get me every time. Say goodbye to redness, dullness, and irritation. I definitely have redness, so I'm very excited to try this out and see how my skin reacts to it. It says to apply 2 or more drops to your skin after cleansing and toning, both morning and night. And I guess it's supposed to give your skin a beautiful, dewy radiance look, which I love. I'm so excited to have a self-care night with these products. I love to try new stuff, you guys, and I'm so excited about these, especially these that say that they are supposed to bring you a luminous glow. I love a luminous glow, so I'm all about it. And the last thing that I see is from the brand Ciate London. This is the Extraordinary Translucent Setting Powder. This is the deluxe mini size. I don't think I've never tried anything from Ciate London that I know of, but I know that they have a bunch of products in this Extraordinary line, but I've never tried them. So let me open this up here. How much product? This is 0.25 ounces, and this is what it looks like. Pretty standard translucent powder. And oh, this is cute packaging. Has a little bow on it. You guys, I'm all about trying new makeup, as you know. So I'm very excited about this, especially because I've never tried Ciate London. This is to finish off your makeup with this finely milled setting powder, which just looking at it in the packaging, it does look very fine. Ultra blendable and lightweight, buff effortlessly onto your skin without cakiness or creases for long-lasting wear. That sounds really nice. This says lightly dust oil-prone areas with a fluffy brush. Brush over concealer under eyes to eliminate dark circles and avoid cakiness. So I will definitely try this out and let you guys know as well. If you want me to do an update on these products just in one video, let me know in the comments and I will definitely do that after I have a chance to try these things out. This is, like I said, the deluxe mini size, and this retails for $18.98. The full size is $22. So I am very excited to try these out. I did want to let you guys know I do have a link in my description box that you guys can use and get your first GLOSSYBOX for $16, which is pretty cool. You just use my promo code Blair. If you go to the link, then you don't have to enter the promo code. You'll automatically get the discounted price. So I did want to let you guys know that I have that link for you if you're interested in trying it out yourself. Thank you to GLOSSYBOX again for being so kind and sending me this box. I'm so flattered, and you guys know I love to try out new things, so I am very excited to try out these products. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do an updated video talking about these 5 products and my thoughts on them after I've had some time to use them. Let me know in the comments. Also, let me know if you've tried GLOSSYBOX before. I would love to know your thoughts and what you thought of this video. Make sure you are subscribed before you leave, and definitely give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Also, make sure you're following me over on Instagram at the same username, simply.blair. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Remember, simply be you. Bye.